Morning, everybody. If you remember correctly, this is the driveway we cleaned off. She did with her snow blower. And hold on here, let's see if we can. I'm 6'4", and this was cleaned yesterday. And wow! So was the top of those garbage cans. Beautiful, huh? Quiet. Slowing down the snow. There's hardly anything coming out now. But I'll see what else is going on here. Let's go for a little walk. Remember, the truck was cleaned off yesterday too. Doing my best to hold still, but it's hard. This was a trail I had yesterday. I had plowed. The antennas are still up. That was part of the... I'm on my way to the barn, actually. Oh. Oh. It's beautiful. But at the same time, it sucks. Nah, really, the house is considerably warmer and burns less wood when we have snow around it. And there's the tractor I was running yesterday. I had cleaned off the wood piles. Let's get the antennas. And then I gotta get the horses fed. Sorry, guys. Hard to walk. And I plowed this. There's a good 14 inches, 16 inches here. Here's the antennas. Now we can say this video's about radios now. Very quiet. Alright, friends. Hope you enjoyed. Radio antennas seem pretty good. I gotta check my shortwave antennas dripping a little bit. So, that's because there's no wind. And that's, snow is the best insulator. Look at the roof. But that won't last long. Old house. Cheers, friends. Catch you on the radio shortly. Enjoy, and well, if anybody wants any snow, I'm willing to share. You can have the greater part.